Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 5 of application of percentage. Now coming to the 6th sum. At what rate percent per annum will a sum of money double itself in 8 years? In the example we have done like this sums, isn't it? At what rate percent? So what they have asked? Rate of interest, that is R. R is equal to how much? A sum of money will double itself. So sum of money, that is principal, is equal to rupees P. It will double itself, means amount is equal to rupees double 2P, and the time is 8 years. Now when P and amount, principal and amount are given, SI you can find out, because to find out R we want a SI. So SI is equal to, what is the formula? Amount minus the principal. Amount, how much it is given? 2P minus principal is P. So SI will be rupees P. Now R, what is the formula? SI into 100 upon P into T. SI is P into 100, principal is P, T is 8. P and P get cancelled. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. So you got 25 by 2. 2 12s are 24. 1 remains. Now here it is R. So it is a percent. So answer, rate of interest is 12.5%. Is it clear? They have asked at what percent a sum of money will double itself. So principal, if you take it as rupees P, the amount will be 2P, and find out SI. 2P minus P is rupees P. Is it okay? Now coming to the 7th sum. That was comparatively easy. Now 7th sum. Rahul borrowed rupees 5,000 from a bank on 1st March 2014 and paid 53,150 on 6th October 2014. Find the rate of interest charged by the bank. He borrowed means what? It is a borrowed means principal. It is 50,000. He paid 53,000 means amount is equal to 53,150. Find R, but for that time, what they have told, from 6th October, 1st March to 6th October. 1st March to 6th October. Now you have to find out the number of days. That lengthy sum, isn't it? Okay, now it is a March. Start from March. How many days? 31. So 31 minus 1. First diya hai na date. So 31 minus 1, that is 30 days. Next it is April. It will be 30. In May it is 31. June, 30, July, 31, August, 31, September, 30, now October till 6th, that is why 6. Now total number of days, add and see. It is 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 3s are 21. So you got 219 days. So time is equal to 219 days. Convert into the years. To convert into years, what you are going to do? 219 upon 365. I've told you already the days, it will be in the multiples of 73. Check. It is 73, 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. And 365, 73, 5s are 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 36. So you have got 73 3s are 73 5s are. That means 3 by 5 years. समझ में आया होगा, है ना? जो भी March to October, count the number of days, add, then convert into years. Okay, time भी मिला अभी. The principal amount दिया है, तो SI find out करने का. To find out R, so they have asked R is equal to how much, isn't it? So to find out R we want SI. So SI is equal to, what is the formula? Amount minus principal. Amount, how much is it? 53150 minus principal is 50,000. So it will be rupees. Here it will be 150 because 3 zeros. It will be, and 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. So it will be 3150 is the SI. Now find out R. What is the formula? SI into 100 upon P into T. It is 3150 into 100 upon P is 50,000 into time is 3 by 5. 3, 5 to the numerator. Now 3 ones, 1 minute, 0, 0 cut, 1, 1, 1, 1. Isn't it? 3 zeros will be cut. Now 3 ones are 3, zeros are 1, and 1 and 5, 15. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 1s are 5 10s are 5 2s are 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are. So you got 21 upon 2. 21 upon 2, that is 2 10s are 20, then 1 by 2. है ना, 1 बचता है, so that is why 10.5%. So answer rate of interest is 10.5%. So in this sum, they have given the principal as 50,000, the amount as 53,150 and time डेट वाइज दिया है. सो 1 मार्च से 6 अक्टूबर. इसके लिए नंबर ऑफ डेज को फाइंड आउट करो. मार्च के महीने में 31 डेज है, -1. जो डेट दिया गया उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करो तो 30 डेज मिला. फिर अप्रैल टू अक्टूबर सब आएगा. सो अप्रैल कितने दिन है वो सब, अक्टूबर जो डेट दिया है वही, और ऐड करेंगे तो 219 आया. अभी नंबर ऑफ डेज जब आता है, सो यूजुअली वी हैव सीन इन द सम्स यू विल बी गेटिंग इन द मल्टीपल ऑफ 73. सो 73 3s are 219 and 365 5s are. सो उसको सिंप्लीफाई करो 3/5. फिर आप लोगों को आर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए you want SI, but SI is not given, but amount and principal are given. So find out SI by amount minus P. Then put the formula of R and calculate. ठीक है. इधर कैंसलेशन कोई भी मेथड से कर सकते हो. पहले 3 को लेके, नहीं तो ये फिर इसको 3 हो गया तो इधर 5 का टेबल, इधर 5 का टेबल लेकर भी कर सकते हो. But at the end you have to get the same answer. Is it clear? In this lesson calculation is very important, so better be careful. So we have finished the 6th and 7th sums. 7th sum is little bit lengthy and confusing, so better take care. Bye. Thank you.